Samsung Galaxy S22 release date rumors, news, price, leaks and what to know so far. Everything we know so far about the Samsung Galaxy S22. While the Samsung Galaxy S22 series is still some way out, with a January or February 2022 launch date highly likely, the leaks and rumors have been coming in thick and fast for all three devices in the line. The Galaxy S22 is the next big flagship from Samsung, and since the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 was cancelled, will be the first big traditional phone from the company to come out in a year. Samsung Galaxy S22 release date. Rumors point to a January or February release for the Samsung Galaxy S22. That's not been confirmed, but we'd be surprised if it didn't land in early 2022. Design. The Samsung Galaxy S22 and Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus will probably look similar to their predecessors, with the S22 Ultra rumored to be getting a more angular design reminiscent of the Galaxy Note range. Colors. A leak suggests the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus may come in white, black, rose gold, and green shades, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra might come in black, white, and dark red. Display. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is rumored to have a 6.06-inch screen, the S22 Plus a 6.55-inch one, and the S22 Ultra a 6.81-inch one. All three models are expected to have a 120 Hz refresh rate, but that's likely to be paired with a FHD Plus resolution. For the cheaper 2 and a QHD Plus resolution for the Ultra. Camera. 50MP main, 12MP ultra wide and 12MP telephoto cameras have been rumored for the S22 and S22 Plus. Things are less clear for the Ultra, but it may have a 108MP main snapper, a 12MP ultra wide, and two 12MP telephoto ones. Specs. Expect either the Snapdragon 898 or Exynos 2200 chipset depending on region, coupled possibly with the same RAM and storage amounts as the S21 range. That would mean up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage in the Ultra model, or 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage in the other models. Battery. Leaks point to a 3700 mAh battery in the S21, 4500 mAh in the S21 Plus, and 5000 mAh in the S21 Ultra. Other than the Ultra, those would all be smaller than the batteries in the S21 range. Charging speed on the S22 Ultra might be improved though, possibly coming in at 45W. The overall design of the Samsung Galaxy S22 range might be very similar to the current range, according to one leak, so don't expect big visual changes, at least from the standard S22 and the Galaxy S22 Plus. You can see that the S22 and the S22 Plus stick with the conventional look of their predecessors, while the S22 Ultra goes for something a little bit different. We've also seen a leaked backplate for the S22 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy S22 colors. We haven't heard many color leaks yet, but one source claims that the colors might be different to last year. They say that the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will come in white, black, rose gold, and green colors, while the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will come in a choice of black, white or dark red, with another source adding green to the mix. For reference, the Samsung Galaxy S21 comes in violet, gray, white and pink, the S21 Plus in black, silver, and gold. On the camera front, we've heard from one leaker that the Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus will have a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra wide, and a 12MP telephoto. That would be quite a change from the 12MP main, 12MP ultra wide and 64MP telephoto. This 50MP camera could get unveiled in September, as a leaker thinks Samsung will show off its new ISOCELL snappers then, including the 50MP one as well as a brand new 200MP sensor. It also sounds very much like the Galaxy S22 won't have a 3D time of flight (TOF) sensor on its rear camera setup. That's no real surprise. It wasn't on the Galaxy S21 either, but it might disappoint those who wanted it to make a return. As for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, one report originally suggested it could have a 200MP main camera and an under-display selfie camera, suggesting that the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 108MP main camera, two 12MP telephoto ones, and a 12MP ultra-wide. As for the battery, one leak suggests a 3800 mAh one in the Samsung Galaxy S22, a 4600 mAh one in the Galaxy S22 Plus, and a 5000 mAh one in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. One source says to expect an Exynos 2200 chipset that would be paired with an AMD GPU. This is something we've heard before, as one much older leak suggested Samsung was working on a new chipset in collaboration with AMD. This AMD partnership has since been confirmed, and we now know that it will bring ray tracing and variable rate shading capabilities to the chipset, and therefore presumably to the Samsung Galaxy S22. While keeping the internals of phones cool is vital to maintaining optimal performance though, vapor chambers aren't the only way to achieve this, so it's not necessarily a loss if the Galaxy S22 doesn't end up with one.